heading towards Chihuly Garden. Can't wait to see that. We're gonna go to Chinatown afterwards. Oh yeah, that's what I want to get. Oh no! Okay. This is the ASMR of Andrew eating.
Oh.
What's that?
Passion fruit. Oh. I don't know what this one is about.
What is this? What flavor?
Passion fruit.
Why don't you like it?
I don't know. I just don't think I like passion fruit.
Yeah, I do not recommend passion fruit. It's like this weird sour taste to it. Not a fan. I'm gonna try the ube. It's so good.
It's good or?
No, just all sugar. I barely got the cream.
Oh yeah, you got no cream. You got like none.
I'll taste it again.
You eat it tissue.
Nope. I barely got the cream.
Andrew, can't even eat that.
Oh, they put no cream in this one.
It doesn't taste like ube. It's very smooth cream. It's a taste I remember, but it's not ube. This is the squid ink.
Garlic parmesan on top. The guy said that's one he likes best with it.
Nice. And what's inside? Mozzarella and hot dog?
Yeah.
Nice.
And
Ta-da.
a little sugar top on.
Oh, okay. That pole. Oh, that. Whoa, so, okay. I got nothing. I got nothing better.
I think I ate most of the cheese.
You wanna go inside? You deserve this! So they ran out of the taro pebbles and the hazelnut crunch. So we have 2 strawberry and 2 matcha pistachios. Can't wait to dig in! Yay! Gonna try the strawberry pocky one.
Yeah.
Oh wait, should I sit normally? Fine, I'll sit normally. Oh, let me see.
No, the New York City one. Bomb. This one is doughy. Well, the one in New York City is because of mochi.
This does have the mochi though.
Yeah.
It's chewy, but it's more dense.
We'll like that one.
It's not fluffy. It's donut still.
Yeah, they fried it.
But yes, mochi, I would also say is the best one. Very similar to Japan's, very chewy, but also very light, and it's really one of the best. I would say this one over Ali Mama, to be honest.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
It's mochi and then Ali Mama.
Okay, which one next? Matcha? Look at those hands work. Time to have these bowls.
There, have one. What do you think?
So far what I've noticed, like just these two, it's like the flavors are very subtle.
It's doughy.
But this one has more of a matcha flavor.
They're so
Oil.
fun. Oh, you watch it.
Look at this oil. Okay, I see. It's so oily.
It is actually
Moving on. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, I think.
Oh yeah.
Look at these fingers work.
But also, this is a legit solid box.
This is a good box. Expensive box.
Mm-hmm.
Cheers.
I don't just eating. I like this one. It's a cinnamon vanilla. Can't check that out.
Yeah, I don't know. Something's missing with this. What too many?
This one's the flavoring is a lot stronger.
Yeah, it's stronger. I think because the Cinnamon Toast Crunch really helps it.
Yeah.
Beautiful. I'm getting.
You still have one more to go.
Oh yeah.
Soulful.
The taro one. The taro glaze.
Is it taro?
I'm excited. No, wait, sorry. Ube glaze. Ooh, it's purple.
Cheers.
Boop. The purplish inside.
Oh my gosh. What is this? What?
I don't
is-
taste ube.
I don't taste anything. Wait, Andrew, you done?
I'm
We got a lot of balls going on here.
I'm done for now.
Alright, so rating. What would you rate it as?
The strawberry one's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Then matcha, and then a cinnamon, and then ube.
Okay.
You?
Andrew?
Cinnamon Toast Crunch, obviously. Strawberry, matcha, and then ube. Ube, it doesn't taste like anything. It just tastes like,
Nothing.
yeah, it just tastes like a donut.
So definitely Cinnamon Toast Crunch for me first. Cinnamon Toast Crunch first. And then strawberry, matcha, and then ube. You're right. Ube doesn't really have much of a flavor. Here we have it. Alright, so this is our second day, third day in Seattle. We're heading towards Pike Place. And we're gonna check out what's there to eat. Oh, I love that store. It's all purple.
move this empty thing out a little bit.
This is the Dungeness crab. And that's the lobster roll. That's the 8 samplers. So that's the lime and coconut. And then this was smoked salmon. And
Yes.
then that was probably New England.
No, this is New England.
The smells from this bakery was irresistible. Therefore, we entered even though there was a long line. Well worth the wait. Well, personally, my favorite is the pistachio eclair. And yes, that is another clam chowder that we got. How's your peaches?
Oh my gosh, look guys, look how creamy this is. Love it.
Very creamy. I agree. They did pepper jack in this.
Do you like the clam chowder more or the mac and cheese?
I like clam chowder.
Interesting.
That's right. Are you mixing the bread in? Nice. Looks like a good bite.
They're like,
We're gonna head on to the floating dock. I caught that on camera.
you're just the closest person to I would.
So this is a snack before our trip to MoPOP. Oh look, they're docking. Oh cool. Now these are fries. Crisp and long. These taste much better than the ones from Dick's Drive-In. Yeah, the ones that Dick's had, they had a lot of oil and it was like very soggy and just very flimsy. Nah, not crunchy.
So you like
This
this
is
one?
good, yeah. Let's try the fish.